I was born in former East Pakistan. My father was in railway. So I spent my school and college life in Bangladesh. ये भी तो हमारा ये पूरा गार्डन उजड़ गया है. ये हमारा बन रहा है. 6 months back, I sold out my apartment. ये नीचे होगा और roof garden ऊपर होगा. And I thought that it would be built in 1.5 months, but 6 months has gone, and still there is no chance. Maybe it will take another 1 month. 6 months back, I was living in the apartment. I'm alone. Till night, 3, 4, my house was like a hostel. Friends used to come, go, even one room I'm sleeping, they are sitting and watching TVs. ये हमारे थोड़े से बचाए हुए प्लांट्स हैं. Then I came to Karachi, and then I studied in Department of Economics. I did master there. Then I did MS in Applied Economic Research Center. और कुछ हमने उस घर में रखे हैं जो खाली है. I thought that I don't have time for myself. So I, in June, sold my plots. I shifted to Surjani. No friend will come there. Then I started teaching in the Department of Economics, and I taught there for 2 years. आजा बेटा, ये जो रो रही थी, अब तो नहीं रो रही बेटा? अरे बाप रे बाप. Dr. Akhtar Hamid Khan, he was my teacher, and he was teaching economic development. तस्करतुल औलिया है, ये सूफीज़म की किताब है, बाबा फरीदुद्दीन अत्तार की किताब. And the way of teaching is very, very unique. He was talking about the cause and failure of Mughal dynasty and Roman Empire and this and that. He related history with economics. I love reading as well, fiction and poetry and history. If some events that disturb me to me inside, then I also say a little bit poems and this and that. Otherwise, I am not a poet. नाला को बुला लो, उधर 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 से बुला लो. आ जाओ, बैठ जाओ आके. हाँ, बैठ जाओ. And then I realized that the economic is not an isolated subject, and it has a very strong relationship with the history and with the sociology.
एक तो ये है कि वो जो उसका अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर दे दिया था तो वहीद ने ही कहा.
I started teaching in the Department of Economics. I found that the same syllabus is being repeated all the year, and the syndicate who has established the syllabus, and you can't go beyond that.
जी, और इसी तरह मैंने इसके प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट का भी कर दिया.
हाँ,
ये डाल दिया औरंगी का मंथ वाइज.
ये वाला.
जी.
So I thought I should do something more. Dr. Sahib, he had been my teacher. So I then came to Aurangi. I knew that he is working with the people of Aurangi. First 6 months, I used to go with Dr. Sahib in Aurangi, meeting with the people, and just to understand what he is doing. And I found that this is another way of teaching. This is the manufacturing unit, and basically, in fact, it's a training center. The people around this area, they come and they learn from them, and it takes around 6 months, वरना 8 महीने लगता है.
जी, जिनका ज़हन थोड़ा सा मोटा है,
जिनका मोटा है उनको 8 महीने लगता है. And after 8 months, if they have order, they keep them. Otherwise, they go and they can work anywhere. In the university, a very simple thing is presented in a very complicated way. But while working in the community, learning from the people, and teaching to the people, the very complicated thing is presented in a very simple way. The role of OPP is that we have recognized them as a training center. Whatever the wastage, we support them. Suppose there is some cost of training. The cost of training is the waste of material, plus he gives 50 rupees a day, plus other expenses. So 6 months I was teaching as well as in the evening. I used to go to Dr. Sahib, meeting with the people. Then I decided that I should join. क्या हुआ, आ जाएं? So what I think is that Dr. Sahib, he was my teacher, he was my guru. I learnt a lot from him. And the second, my teacher is the people. Working in the informal sector, living in the rural areas, making efforts to make their life easy. This is all OCT. What we did is that we wanted to set up a Hunar Ghar. Aurangi pilot project, it was formed in 1980. Till 1988, all the program was the part of the Aurangi pilot project institution. Hunar Ghar is the place that it's a matter of 45 days, and in 45 days they are trained. After 1988, the section has become an independent and autonomous institution. Like OPP RTI takes care of sanitation, housing, education. OCT has appointed Shamsuddin Sahab as a trainer, right? So he is in our payroll. Health department headed by Dr. Shamim. Aurangi Pilot Project, Aurangi Charitable Trust, and Aurangi Pilot Project Rural Development Trust. It is headed by me.